Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to connect TradingView to MT4 step by step. Open TradingView and MT4, sign into both accounts, and enable charting and expert advisors. Install any required bridge or plugin, configure symbol mapping, and set your trade and lot size preferences. Test with a small order, verify execution and alerts, and review common errors to fix. I will walk through each step clearly and calmly. Start by installing the bridge or plugin that relays signals from TradingView to MT4. On MT4, enable expert advisors and allow DLL imports so the bridge can place orders. In the bridge settings, enter the API key or password provided and map chart symbols exactly. Confirm lot sizes, slippage, and order types. Save settings and restart MT4 if prompted. I will show each option and what to watch for during setup. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more practical tutorials. Quick recommendation: a great read is the book The Simple Path to Wealth, which can change how you think about money and investing, and it pairs nicely with disciplined trading habits. I mention it as a friendly tip to boost your financial thinking. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Configure TradingView, alerts to trigger webhooks or messages routed to the bridge that controls MT4. Use consistent symbol naming and set the alert message format to include order type, price, and size. In the bridge, map each TradingView symbol to the corresponding MT4 instrument to prevent mismatches. Run practice alerts on a demo account, check MT4 execution, and adjust slippage or decimal differences. I will demonstrate alert formatting and testing tips.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.